Welcome, everyone. Today, we're not just talking about business, we're talking about a way of thinking, the entrepreneurial mindset. It's more than just starting a company, it's about how you see problems as opportunities and setbacks as data points. Most people see a wall, an entrepreneur sees a ladder. It's the ability to pivot when the world changes around you. There are three core pillars we will cover today: resilience, the lean startup methodology, and the business model canvas. First, resilience. You will fail. That is a statistical certainty, but how you handle that failure defines your journey. We don't fail, we learn. Every no brings you closer to the right yes. This is the foundation of growth. Now let's talk about the how. Enter the lean startup framework. It's about eliminating waste and maximizing learning. The core loop is simple: build, measure, learn. You start with a minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP isn't a half-baked product. It's the simplest version that allows you to start the learning process immediately. You put it in front of real customers. You don't guess what they want. You watch what they actually do. This is called validated learning. It's the only metric that matters in the early stages of a venture. Based on the data, you face a choice. Do you pivot, change direction, or do you persevere and keep going? Some of the world's biggest companies started as something else entirely. They pivoted based on what the market told them. But how do you visualize your entire business strategy on one page? That's where the business model canvas comes in. Developed by Alexander Osterwalder, the BMC breaks your business into 9 essential building blocks. It starts in the center, the value proposition. What problem are you solving? Why should anyone care? Next, you look at your customer segments. Who are you building this for? You can't be everything to everyone. How do you reach them through channels, and what kind of relationship do you maintain with them? Then the bottom line, revenue streams. How does the business actually make money? Is it sustainable? On the left side, we have the how. What key resources do you need? What are the critical key activities? Who are your key partners? No business is an island. You need a network to scale and succeed. And finally, the cost structure. What are the major expenses? Does the revenue outweigh the costs? The beauty of the canvas is that it's a living document. It changes as you learn from the lean startup loop. When you combine these frameworks, you move from guessing to testing. You become a scientist of business. But remember, the tools are only as good as the person using them. It always comes back to the mindset. It's the persistence to keep going when the data is discouraging. It's the vision to see what doesn't exist yet. Entrepreneurs aren't gamblers. They are experts at calculating and mitigating risk. They take small bets to win big. They build teams that complement their weaknesses. They know that culture eats strategy for breakfast. So as you leave here today, don't just ask, what business should I start? Ask, what problem can I solve? Focus on the problem, not the solution. The solution will evolve, but the problem is your North Star. Your journey starts with a single step. Use the lean startup loop. Fill out your first canvas. Start today. Think big, act small, and learn fast. That is the essence of the entrepreneurial mindset. Thank you for your time, and I can't wait to see what you build. Go out there and make a difference. Stay tuned for more insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe to join our community of innovators.